deep in the forest grows a tall, tall tree. Of course, it was a short tree, but it grew. And down at the bottom of that tree, there's a little old box that's really the home of Mr. Wizard the Lizard.
Yes? Who is that?
It's Tooter the Turtle, Mr. Wizard. I got another favor to ask.
Come in, my boy. Well, Tutor, it's good to...
Whoa, horse, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Woe is right and woe is me. Please, Tutor, stop! Stop!
Oh, sorry, Mr. Wizard. I guess I just sort of ran away with myself.
Yes, indeed, Tutor. But why? What is you wanting to be today?
One of them, Mountie police, Mr. Wizard. I just know I'd be good at it.
But Tutor, my boy, that's a job for a big, strong man.
Oh, please, Mr. Wizard. Please, let me try.
Oh, well, all right. But I will be mighty right. The first thing to get to be the Royal Mountie is to pass the test given by the Chief of the Mounties.
So you want to join the Mounties, eh?
Yes, sir.
All right, mister. A few of our best Mounties always give new recruits a test. If they decide you stand up well under the test, you're in. If not, out. Just step into that room.
Yes, sir.
He passes, Chief.
Boy, oh boy, I'd sure hate to see what them fellows that fail look like.
All right, mister, you've passed. You're a Mountie now, and you've got to go get your man. Mounties always get their man.
But, I don't have a man, Chief.
Oh, yes. That's right. Here. This is a picture of Black Bark, the meanest crook in the whole Northwest. Go get him, now.
Yes, sir. Whoa, wait up just a big minute. I don't even know where Black Bark is.
Well, here I am.
I'll get you, Black Bark. Us Mounties always get our man. Whoa! Here I come, Black Bark. You ready or not?
How you bearing up, Mountie?
You won't laugh long, Black Bark. Us Mounties always get our man.
So the chase was on again. Soon there was so much snow that the horses could not go on. But the smart Mountie is always prepared with the special shoes for the snow.
Now I'll get Black Bark for sure.
Looks like I'm a shoo-in to get away, Mountie. In spite of all the troubles, the brave Mountie would never give up the chase. And soon things was turning for the better, for the Black Bark had reached the top of the mountain. The other side was the steep drop, so Black Bark was trapped, and the brave Mountie was not far behind.
I know you're up there, Black Bark, and I'm gonna get you.
Come ahead, Mountie. We'll fight it out man to man.
Caught him off guard. I'll just give me old college tackle. Help, Mr. Wizard! I got my man!
Tutor, that's no man. Thistle, trassle, truzzle, drum. Time for this one to come home.
Gee, Mr. Wizard, looks like I made a mess out of things again.
Always I tell you, Tutor, be just what you is, not what you is not. Folks what you is the happiest lot.